Hey my jewels, welcome back to another video. Happy Wednesday. So today I'm going to talk about keeping your hair healthy so it can grow. First off, I just want to say thank you for those who reached out to me by email asking me how I was doing and also asking me where you at, I have been on a staycation with my husband at Christmas Mountain in the Dales here in Wisconsin. We had a very lovely time. It's a beautiful place. Yes, Christmas Mountain, and they do have Christmas trees that they keep lit up all year round. So that's why it's called Christmas Mountain. They have log cabins, townhomes, and condos. We were in a condo. It was very beautiful. I'm going to add that clip to this video so you guys can see. Okay, so that's where we were. He just took me away so I can just get away, get some rest, relaxation, just to get away from everyday life and, work and things of that sort. Okay, and I feel pretty good. So I'm doing very well. Thank you so much for asking. I'm doing very, very well. Okay, I know mommy's in a good place because our mother is a godly woman. She walked, she talked, and she taught it. You get what I'm saying? So she carried herself like that. Okay. So I know that mama is with the Lord. So I'm not worried. I just miss her. You get what I'm saying? I just miss her. All right. And I know she wouldn't want to come back to this place. I know she wouldn't, because I wouldn't either if I was with the Lord. And when you up there, you're not thinking about this place anymore. You're just praising and worshiping the Lord forever and ever and ever. Okay. And that's what she's doing as I'm speaking to you, as you're looking at this video. My mother is doing very, 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 very well. Okay. So I just want to give you two top things to keep your hair from falling out, to keep your hair to grow, to keep your hair growing, and also to keep your hair healthy. There are only two things, and it may be like a cliche to you, or might say, oh, that's not enough, but I don't have a whole lot because I don't do a whole lot to my hair. One thing I do know, if you deep condition, that's number one. Deep conditioning on a consistent basis, regular basis, will help your hair to grow. Okay, because it adds nutrients and vitamins and also moisture to your hair. And it will allow your hair to remain healthy if you are consistent. You just can't do it once and then go back and do it again a few months later. You have to be consistent with your deep conditioning. All right. Number two, moisturized. I found that moisturizing my hair, even when my hair get a little dry, I found that as soon as I put moisture in it, you guys seen me do that before. When I add moisture to my dry hair, whatever, or my hair is drying, it's not totally dry, but when I add moisture to it, you see a major difference, don't you? It looks alive, it looks vibrant, it looks very healthy. So if you keep up with that, you want to keep it trained. You don't want to wait till your hair get extremely dry so you can add more products to it and then go back to it again a month or 2 months later. It's not going to work. You have to be very consistent when adding your products to your hair and have a routine. Being consistent and doing it on a regular basis will really help your hair to stay healthy. These are all I know, okay, to growing hair. Products doesn't necessarily grow your hair. Okay, keeping up with your hair routine, okay, and the products that you use, when you put them at play and they come together for the good, this will allow your hair to remain healthy and your hair will start growing. Watch and see. Okay, do it now. Okay, today is the 12th. Do it now. All right, if your hair is clean, do it now, and then continue to do it until June, the end of June, and just look at your hair. Take pictures. Take a picture of your hair right now, and then take one again next month in May, and then take one again at the end of June, and you'll see a difference. I've noticed a big difference in my hair when I keep my hair moisturized, when I do pre-pools, when I do hot oil treatments, and I'm consistent with these, okay? My hair is flourishing. It really flourishes more so in the summertime, more so than the wintertime. Okay, all right. So that's all I have for you guys. This is how you can get healthy, long, beautiful hair. Okay, I hope and pray that this video will help you. Once again, I'm going to add that other video that I took in Christmas Mountain, just showing you the rooms where we were at, and I was also outside, so I'm going to clip it onto here if I can. Okay, so thank you. I hope and pray that all is well with your family, and Lord's will, you will see me in the next video. Thank you so much for asking about me, and thank you ever so kindly for watching. God bless you. Mwah. Bye. Hey my jewels, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Welcome back everybody, welcome back. So I have been away for a while. I know if you guys noticed that. My husband took me on a staycation. We've been here a little over a week already, and we'll be going home in about 3 more days. So we should get home Sunday, maybe in the early evening, maybe after 4 o'clock or so. It's a 2.5 hour ride from where we stay, maybe 3 hours from where we stay. It's called the Christmas Mountain in the Dells. So it's a really cozy, nice place. And I'm just here just to get away from everyday life, work, just to relax, things of that sort. We really need this, okay? So I have no apologies whatsoever, okay? But I do miss you guys. So I'm just going to take you around so you can see. Right now I'm standing in the bedroom, and I'll turn it around, okay? All right, this is our bedroom. Lovely mirror, TV. This is the closet. I'm not going to open it. I love these ceilings. Look at this. Oh my Lord. These high ceilings and these wooden beams. I like that. It's really nice. This is where we sleep. I was on that side. Okay. So I'm going to take you in our bathroom. Okay. This is the bathroom. All right. I like this. My mother had one of these when I was little. These mirrors right here. She used to put on her lipstick, and everything. Yeah. So, and this is the area. The bathroom. Have the shower tub, of course. I love the floors. They made out just like ours at home. I like that. I really do. I like that. Bathroom made out like ours at home with this in the bottom of the floor, and then we have one at the top right there, but this one don't. I guess that's just the only vent right there, but we do have one in the bathroom in our home. This right here is the little laundry room. Okay, that can't get many things in here. That's what I don't like about this. When we went to Hawaii and Maui, they had the same thing. You really can't get many items in here. That's what I don't like about that. But other than that, it is convenient. It really is. Okay, this is the living area. I love that fireplace right there. But other than that, this is it. This is it. Like I said, it's small, but it's very cozy. Kitchen area. Okay. All right. Don't mind that. They had pizza earlier. And then this is the back. It looks beautiful outside, doesn't it? But it's cold. It's really cool. It really is. You need a coat. Maybe a hat. In my case, because I'll cover up anyway because I'm getting older. I'll be 62, but I do cover up. But it's cool. But it does look nice. So I'm going to go out here so you guys can see. It's really quiet and peaceful. And these are other units out here. You still can hear the birds chippering. It's almost 7 o'clock. But yeah, so all of these are like condos. They have 2 units to it, but I like it. It's really nice. Really, really nice. All back there. Yeah. And you rarely see cars or hear cars. This is what I really love about it. You rarely hear cars out here or anything like that. It's beautiful. So you can imagine what it's like when it's warm out. You can really imagine. So yeah. So I just wanted to let you guys know where I am. And you probably miss me. probably miss me. I miss you guys too, but I just really needed to get away. And I just praise God for a wonderful husband for taking me away, just to get some relaxation for a couple of weeks. And Lord knows I did need this. So yeah. So I hope and pray that you guys are having a wonderful spring break. I hope and pray that it's safe. Okay, drive safely if you're going away somewhere for a staycation. Drive safely, okay? Look out for others. You're not just driving for yourself, you're driving for everybody else because no one drives like you. My mother always said that. No one drives like you. So just take it easy, okay? Don't be in a rush. All right? So, Lord's will, you guys will see this video probably sometime next week. I'm just going to just do nothing, okay? No editing because they take a couple of hours. So my husband and I were just here to spend some time and just relax. That's basically it, okay? So thank you guys so much, and Lord's will, you will see me in the next video. Have a wonderful, wonderful time. God bless you.